To set alarm on the OPPO A80 5G, first of all, you will have to go into the clock application, which is located at the top, because right here we've got the alphabetic order in the app drawer. Right now, you can go into the alarm in the left bottom corner and you can use already created preset. So let's turn this one. Now tap on it to customize. So as you can see right here, you can change the time of this alarm. You can set the repeat right here. So I will get it only on Sunday. Right here we can also set these different schedules. Take a look, but I'm gonna go over the custom one. Right here we can set the message that will appear when this alarm starts ringing. Right here we can set it as a ringtone, so we can get the custom one from the classic themes or your own from music or recordings. You can turn on and off vibrations. You can set snooze, interval, times, or you can just turn them off at all. And if you finish, click down in the right upper corner, and now it will be finished. If you want to remove any of the alarm, click and hold it and tap delete. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.